The ingredient that I use for my conditioner: curry, blend, rice. Those two are to grow. This is to tighten, which is mustard, onion mixed with chili, which is give like volume. This is to control the freeze, which is cinnamon. This is rubbing alcohol for bed bugs and mosquito. This is colágeno for tightening the cuticles and the hair. This is to clean out all the perimeter surrounded. And this is to be orange yogurt spread, which is leave your hair straight. This is the one that going to leave our hair straight. This is going to moisturizer, and this is going to feel for a cuticle. So this is how I'm gonna make my conditioner.